Welcome to this tutorial on how to get Rev points on Revolut. Rev points are a rewards system offered by Revolut, allowing users to earn points for various activities, which can then be redeemed for cash or other benefits. To get started, you need to have a Revolut account. If you don't have one, sign up for an account and complete the verification process. Once your account is set up, you can begin earning Rev points. There are several ways to earn Rev points, including making purchases with your Revolut card, inviting friends to join Revolut, and participating in certain promotions. For every purchase you make, you will earn a certain number of points, depending on the type of account you have in the merchant category. You can also earn bonus points for purchases made at specific merchants, such as restaurants or retail stores. Additionally, when you invite friends to join Revolut and they sign up using your referral link, you will both receive a certain number of points. To track your Rev points, simply log into your Revolut account and navigate to the rewards section. Here, you can view your current points balance, as well as the history of points you have earned and redeemed. When you have accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for cash or other benefits, such as discounts or exclusive offers. The redemption process is straightforward and can be completed within the Revolut app. To maximize your Rev points earnings, it is essential to use your Revolut card for all your daily purchases and take advantage of the bonus points offers. You should also regularly check the Revolut app for new promotions and offers that can help you earn more points. By following these steps and tips, you can make the most of the Rev points program and enjoy the benefits that come with it. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of the Rev points program to ensure you understand how it works and how you can earn and redeem points.